Hello and welcome to Bites Bread and Barbecue. My name is Ross Contino. I would like to make a slight correction here. The other day I made a video on how to install Bing Daily Wallpaper onto various shells for Linux, including Gnome, KDE, and XFCE. One of my viewers by the YouTube name of Truck Farmer pointed out to me that you can use an application called Variety that'll work on any shell. And this would simplify things for XFCE. I had gone down a tunnel where I was using Python scripting that would have to be executed on a daily basis, and it was the solution I found on the internet. However, this application Variety does seem to solve this and will run on any particular shell. I would still advocate for Bing and Gnome using their native application, for KDE and Gnome to use their native applications. That'll make the process a bit simpler. But let's take a look at this on XFCE. This is a particular installation of Manjaro Linux with an XFCE interface. I had initially used Linux Mint in my first example, but the repositories for that somehow became broken for me, so this is a clean install. We're going to go to the software store for Manjaro. Now, each version of Linux, the software store looks a little bit different, but this is what Manjaro's looks for. We're going to type in Variety, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to go ahead and install it. Now this is going to go a little bit quickly because I've been experimenting before I made the video. We're going to choose our single dependency here, and we're going to go ahead and install Variety. It's going to ask for your password. Go ahead and enter it, and it'll pop right up. So we're going to go ahead and launch Variety, and you can see that there are many settings across the top here, and I'm going to click this so that it starts when the computer starts. We're going to change this every day, although you can see you can do this down to seconds, and I'm going to change the wallpaper on the start of the computer. Now I've deselected all of the options here except for Bing, since that was the one that I was using, but if you look at this, these are spectacular sources that would be great photographs that you could put in here for all of your wallpapers to be shuffled. So anyway, Bing was what we have been using. We're going to go ahead and close this, and you can see immediately behind here that it has applied the Bing wallpaper of the day, and we have a lovely photograph there. Just to show you what I was in fact running here, this is the XFCE, the latest version, running on top of 64-bit Manjaro that runs on Arch Linux, and on a very minimal system here with only 2 gigs of memory, and you can see that the XFCE is quite snappy. So Variety does appear to provide a solution for running the Bing wallpaper, or any type of wallpaper for that matter, on a daily basis, and it's very elegant, and you don't have to keep running the Python script. It should change things on a daily basis for you automatically. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe down below, and thanks for stopping by. See you later.